welcome back. Today we are doing a review of the My Life baking accessory playset that I got at Walmart. I am super excited for this because I've always wanted for our dollhouse a little mixer, and the American Girl ones are just so expensive. This one looks a bit bigger, but with all the little accessories, the cupcakes and all the cookie cutters, it was only $10. So when you compare the value, it's pretty good. There are 19 pieces in this, including the food. And on the back, it has the picture of the doll with her apron doing her baking. Now, I'm hoping, because as you can see here, it shows one of the cookies on the tray. I'm really hoping they all come out. We'll have to wait and see. This has 1 cupcake pan, 4 cupcakes, 1 bag of flour, 1 sugar, 1 sheet of cookie dough with removable cookies. It does have an S. 1 cookie cutter, 4 measuring spoons, 1 baking sheet, 1 mixer, 1 bowl, 1 spatula, 1 spoon, and 1 rolling pin. Now, the My Life accessories used to be pretty bad, but they have, from the looks of them, gotten better over time. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, I know right off the bat, this mixer is going to be way too big for our doll kitchen. We have the Our Generation red kitchen, and there's just no counter space to put something like this. Ooh, let's get all this out. Look at it all falling out. There it goes. Okay, let's move this out of the way and get right into this. The thing I am most excited about is the mixer. And does it spin? Does it lift? Oh, it lifts up and it goes down, so we can put our mixing bowl. Oh, I like that it has a lid. Does it fit? And it goes in. Now, again, it is it is My Life, so it's not the same quality as the American Girl, but for $10, I wouldn't be able to craft this. I am loving this. We'll have to put this on our doll table, but I love it. This looks like a big teacup from a tea set, but it fits perfectly, and if you put a little bit of pressure, it sort of sits. Let's look at the pans. So there are 2. There's a cookie sheet and a muffin tin, and I like that they have the little handles. And then here's our muffins. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they couldn't give you 6 muffins to balance out your tray. They gave you 4. They're not the nicest, but compared to what Our Generation was, compared to what My Life was, these are a big improvement. Those are super cute. There's our little cookie tray. I'm loving the rolling pin. It has some weight to it, so it is heavy to roll. And it does have the little wood grain. Can you see it? So that it looks like a wooden rolling pin. I love it. Our kitchen's red, so I don't know how these blue pieces are going to go. And then here is the bag of flour. Now, it is hollow plastic. It doesn't open, but it's going to look super, super cute sitting on our counter when our dolls are baking. Same thing with the little fresh cake sugar. So this one says fresh cake flour, and this one says fresh cake sugar. Those are super cute. I love it. Here is our little cookie cutter. Now, it doesn't have one higher edge, I guess right there, a little bit of a higher edge, so you know that that's the top. Let me move these for you. So that when they're baking, they can push down. And here is what I really wanted. It's soft. Oh, they do pop out. All 4 of them pop out. I love it. Now, if I put them back in, this is what I love about playtime, when the pieces actually work. So your dolls can be in their kitchen and put the cookie cutter. Now, will it match and line up? No. It does not line up. The cookie cutter does not line up to here, but you can put the dough inside and push it out. So you can lay it here and line it up. But while it's on here, it just doesn't fit. That's okay. For a Walmart one, I am really impressed with this. and then they can put them on to their tray to go into the oven. Look how cute that is. Oh, I love that. And then there's their leftover dough. So if you're doing a scene, that's going to be super helpful. Now, what else have we got? The little measuring spoons, and they do open and come off just like real ones. This is a massive improvement to what they had before. I do have these from the Our Generation set, and they are so much nicer. These ones feel cheap, but again, you're only paying $10. So your dolls can pretend to scoop their flour and pour it in. They did not give you a measuring cup with this. The Our Generation baking set did. Now there's their cooking utensils. I really don't like the big handles that they put on them because it's not as realistic. But again, so much better than the ones they had before that were just one solid color and blue and huge. At least this is a much more reasonable size. I do like the little scraper or plastic spatula. That will be fun for helping your dolls scrape the bowl so they can put it all on, scoop the icing onto their little cupcakes if they're making icing. All in all, my review for this one, for $10 with everything you get, this is a great deal compared to even the Our Generation price, the American Girl price. This is fantastic. I was really excited about this one. It's kind of cheap. But again, $10. My favorite part is definitely going to be the dough. It's pliable. You don't want to squeeze it too much in case you break it. And the little cookies that come with it. We're going to have a lot of fun setting up scenes with this. That's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or what your opinions are in the comments. Other than that, I will see you next time. Bye, guys.